How to use Mr. D food app. Mr. D food tutorial. Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the channel. Today we're having a look at the Mr. D delivery app, and it's great. Once you have downloaded it from your Play Store or your App Store, whatever device you're using, you can order from thousands of brands in your area, and you can have it delivered at a very, very small fee. So here we go. This is what the interface looks like. This is kind of like your homepage, and basically this will show you all of the deals that they have. You can also, up at the top over here, define what sort of food you're looking for. There's some top rated. There is some different types of cuisine over here: vegetarian, halal, vegan. You also have some promotions in between, as you can see over here, and then you have the popular brands which you can order from, and again some ads in between, and then recommendations. Now these recommendations will be built from basically your sort of order history. We then also, as you go down, there are a bunch more ads, so you can sort of choose from there if you would like. And as you see at the bottom of the page, you have a toolbar, and that's what you see here is the restaurant tabs. Now you have a Pick n Pay. Now where I am, Pick n Pay is a major retailer, and Pick n Pay, now you can order anything from Pick n Pay and have it delivered to you, from groceries and anything else you can find in one of these stores. Then you can tap on the shops tab at the bottom of the toolbar, and right over here you can now search a bunch of different shops in your area. So as you can see, these are some of the shops that I can order from, and some of them are offline, and this could be due to a number of different reasons. Then on the toolbar at the bottom, you have your orders, and this is where you can basically manage all of your orders. Up at the top here, as you can see, it has the Pick n Pay and the restaurants and shops, so you can sort of chop and change between these two and see all of your previous orders or orders that are pending. Then we can get into the profile section, and this is basically where you can start to define your actual Mr. D profile. So first of all, right at the top, you've got name and email address, and then you have account details. Over here, you will have your name, surname, you'll have your phone number, your email address, which you can edit right over here, and then you have card payments. Now, your card payments is basically where you will be able to enter a payment method, and this is how you will pay for all of the orders that you make on the app. So it says select a card, no saved cards, add your card details when checking out your order. So what we're going to do is we can go ahead and do that. We also have some promotional stuff, such as the Pick n Pay Smart Shopper, which is like a loyalty card for Pick n Pay, and then we have a credit wallet. So what happens is credits from orders are not accepted by restaurants, and they'll be stored here. So let's say you get credits while you are making orders, or somebody gifts you credits, it gets stored right over here in this wallet, so you can see all of those details right over there. They have a couple other bits and pieces in the profile tab, such as a help tab and about, which will give you all the information of the app. Then you also have the settings tab, which you can change right over here, a bunch of minor settings, and then you have the option to become a driver. So if you're actually not looking to make an order, you can actually access the portal to become a deliverer of the goods that Mr. D is delivering. They also are hooked up with Takealot and Superbalist, so some of the shops that you can shop from are stated right over here at the bottom. Now let's get into actually ordering something. So what is it that we want to eat right now? Let us go in and have a look at this piece of steak. This looks awesome. So let's go into the actual store, and that is the Spur Steak Ranch, and let's have a look at, for example, these ribs. Now once you get into each one of the items, they'll give you all the menu options that you will get when you actually walk into the restaurant or the food outlet. So you have the option between the 400, 600 and 800 gram ribs, and you can then just define what it is that you actually want there. And then it also asks what basting you'd like on the ribs. Again, I want to state that each and individual product is going to be different. Of course, when you're ordering a steak, you're going to have the option to choose what how you want your steak done. There are also side orders, so you can choose a side order over here with cutlery, without cutlery, and then you can add a sauce if you would like, and then you can also add some of the other options. Right at the bottom, you can change the quantity, so you can see however many you need over here, and then you can just tap on add to cart. Now, once you have added your item to your cart, it'll give you a total right at the bottom over there. You can go ahead now and order from a different outlet. You can order from the same outlet. You can do whatever it is that you need and add to this order. Once you have defined the order and you are done, you can tap on the blue banner right at the bottom and it will take you straight to your checkout. So you can add any one of these if you'd like. Again, you can just tap on take me to the checkout. So right over here, it gives you a breakdown or a summary of your order. So you can now also define whether you want it delivered to the location of your choice or if you're going to be collecting it yourself. So we have the delivery option right at the top over here, and we also have the collect option right over here. So depending on what it is that you'd like to do, you can just select one of those. You also have the option to change the amount right over here, and you can also remove this item if you'd like, using the X at the top right hand side of the actual item. You also have the opportunity to add more items to your cart if you have forgotten something, and then you are given your subtotal. As you can see over here, they charge a very small delivery fee that is really a minor amount. It is really tiny. And then it also gives you an estimated delivery time, which is plus minus 50 minutes. Now, that will depend on where you are and where the outlet actually is. Then you can tap on checkout, and once you've done so, you'll get to the part where you can now enter your delivery details as well as your payment method or your payment details. So your delivery details, you will have to now just give all of those details in over there, and as you go down here, you can also tip the driver. You can just add it in there and make that payment, and what happens is the driver will actually just get that paid directly to him, so you don't have to pay him separately, or you don't have to have cash on you when he is delivering your goods. If you have any promotional codes that you'd like to enter in now, this is the section that you can do that. The promo code or the Y code, you can tap in over there. And after you've done so, you can now enter your payment details. If you would like to earn loyalty points, you can open that, and then it gives you an order summary, which right at the bottom over here is everything that your payment will be. And once that is done, you will get an order summary, and it'll tell you what you are actually paying for, and it'll also give you a total, and you can tap on continue to payment. Basically what will happen is you will confirm your order and you will tap send, and within the delivery time you will receive your goods quickly and easily. And if there's anything more that you need to order, you can just use that exact same process as we did before. You can go ahead and you can shop some more. You can go into the Pick n Pay. If you want to buy some groceries, you can tap on the shop icon on the bottom, and you can have a look through all of the stores that are actually associated with Mr. D. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen. If you would like to use the Mr. D Food app, this is a great little app. It's quick and easy, and it's very safe. It's got very high privacy levels, so that's great. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to leave us a like. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, show some support. And if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section. We'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.